Hi, here you can find a presentation about the explanation for the 4K Soundbar Demonstrator. With this media player you can connect multiple soundbars for have a testing situation in stores. You can see here the inputs for the digital output, which goes to your soundbar. And we have inputs over here and inputs over here. These are for the push buttons to select the particular soundbar, and we have the volume up and volume down push buttons connected here. These push buttons are laying over here. 1 to 8 play buttons and 2 times volume up, volume down. Then there is also the HDMI over here. HDMI, which shows a video about the particular soundbar and goes to a screen, an LCD monitor. And in this situation we also have an extra PCB board for LED light strips. They are over there. The light strips will be useful to put them under your soundbar or subwoofer. So when you press the button, it will play a video on the screen. It will give the sound on the soundbar, and it gives the particular light for the indicated soundbar which is playing. I can demonstrate you. We have now connected just one soundbar over here. It is over push button number 1. So if I press number 1, so if I press it, you will see a new video will play, and you will hear the music over the soundbar.
Room-filling sound that signifies a home theater legacy. Precision detail
And you can see that the light strips, most light strips are dimmed to 30%, and only the top one, the blue one, is now 100%. So if I press another again on number 1, it will play the next video about this soundbar. If I press again, I press it now. So if I press number 2, it will play video number 2, and it will highlight now this set of lights. Let's say I will press number 6. You will see the 6th will be more highlighted. Number 7 or number 8, and back to number 1 again.
Massive room-filling sound that signifies a home theater legacy.
When the video is ready, this presentation video, it will go automatically back to the looping video, which can be just a demonstrator video to attract people to the screen and to the soundbar tester. Get more in detail about the LEDs. If you see here the PCB board, this cable is going connected to the input of the Soundbar Demonstrator, and the main power is going in this one. This is the main power adapter. Goes first in the LED board, and then the power goes through this line to the media player. This cable is always connected to the board to give the signal which one has to play. From this side up to that side, this is number 1, LED number 1, this is number 3, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. we get the volume buttons. You can see in the screen the indicator that it is going up. And you can have here to make it softer. Now the video is finished. When the video is finished, then all the LEDs are 100%. So if I click the first button, you will see only the blue one is 100% and the rest will be dimmed to 30%. So if you want to have an update of the software, because you want other colors, you will need to have an SD card, and you can put it in the media player over here. Here's the SD card reader. You have to plug it in, and then if you have the software update with a special bin file, then it will auto copy to the media player, and it will be in the screen. It will say auto update content. When it's ready, it will say ready, and plug out the SD card, and then it will restart again. And then if you have restarted it, it needs to calibrate and for the colors. So if you change the colors, it takes maybe about 1 minute, maybe less. Then it will, you can see that the colors are changing automatically, and then it will start with the looping video. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.